Okay, now find your seat as normal, wherever you can find a comfortable spot to disconnect from whatever you were previously doing, drop that activity, and fully fall into the present moment. Today's practice is going to be about learning to increase our intuition. This is a third eye meditation, which if you practice regularly, you will begin to trust more and more that intuition that tells you when things are not what they should be, or when you're not sure what to do and you have the gut feeling. This will, over time, increase the clarity of such feelings. So I invite you to close your eyes wherever you are seated. Get in touch again with your breathing. Just for a few moments, arrive to the present moment. Following your breath the way that you're used to. Dropping everything you were doing. Whatever you were thinking about, you can do it later. Right now, this time is for you. On the next turn of your breath now, focus all of your attention on the space between your eyebrows. When you notice that your eyes have become fixed on that point and they are difficult to move, that's when you know you've found the right spot. You may feel a certain pressure there, something that keeps your awareness there. This is your third eye center. Maintain your awareness on this center, but also maintain awareness on your breathing and the life it gives you. Imagine that each breath brings not just air, but vitality, life, and energy. Become the witness to your thoughts. If any thought enters into your awareness, allow it to pass through the sky of your mind like a cloud. Just watch it as it moves from one part of the sky to another and then slowly dissolves into just clear sky. Maintain full attention on the third eye center. Keeping your eyes where they are, watch your breath from the inhale as it fills you with life essence and energy. Watch your breath as it fills your body all the way from the base of your spine up to the very top of your head. Imagine on your inhaling breath that it travels from the base of your spine up to the top of your head, filling you with life and energy. It may help you to use a color. The breath, as you inhale, travels up your spine, filling it with a color-filled, vibrant energy, all the way up slowly to the top of your head. Now maintaining awareness still in the third eye center. Imagine your breath filling up your body from the base of the spine to the top of the head. And as the breath reaches to the top of your head, imagine a shower of light falling from the top of your head out and down. This energetic shower of lights, as it fills you with this vibrance and this life essence and this energy, it actually spills out to the top of your head and showers your environment around you. You share this energy with your space and the people in it. And you can even imagine that light showering around the people you know, your relations. If you feel you're lost in thought, turn that thought into a cloud and watch it float away. And come back with your awareness to the third eye and breathing, filling your body up with life energy from the base of the spine up through the top of your head with a shower of light falling down and around you. Okay. Now I suggest you stop visualizing. Relax your eyes. You can move them away from the third eye. Just keep them closed and just gaze out into your closed eye visual field, to the darkness, into the void. Notice that it is not completely dark. There are still the interplay of light and some images perhaps. But just rest here in this open awareness without trying to do anything. Okay. Once again, thank you for practicing with me. Thank yourself for your practice. And if you do this regularly, specifically if you do it before bed, you can focus on your third eye. And if you happen to imagine something while you're doing so, it increases the chance that you will manifest this in your life. So keep playing with that, keep practicing, and hope you have a great day, and I'll see you here for the next meditation.